Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix Microsoft Clipchamp couldn't sign in errors. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your Windows search bar over here, click on it, and then type settings, or you can simply look for apps and features, right? Left click on it. If you're on Windows 11, just go to settings, install applications, and then you will have this option. All right. On the search bar, look for Clipchamp. Left click on it once, and then choose Advanced Options or More Options. Now scroll down. You need to click on Repair. Now this might take a few seconds. Once done, we proceed with Reset. Now I will say this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So just make sure to remember all of your login details and then proceed, click on Reset. So again, this might take a few seconds or a minute. Once done, you can now go back and proceed open Clipchamp. Now, if you still have the issues, you can go back in here and then click on terminate. So this will be our last resort. So click on terminate, go back. You might need to restart your computer just to make sure everything is working smoothly. And then go back to your Clipchamp, log in. Everything should now be working as it is. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.